First bit. Find the first three terms in the expansion of in ascending powers of x. Given is 1 plus ax power 5. For any binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term first, and the formula for general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Okay, for any binomial general term we should write. Now what is n here? The power will be n. Inside the bracket the x term will be considered for x, and over here ax is x, and the left other term will be taken for y. Okay, now replace them in the general term. So NCR is 5CR. The letter R will remain like that only. In place of x, ax. In place of y, 1. Simplify the general term to the maximum possible extent. And how do we do that? See here. 5CR I can't simplify here. Apply the power to each. So that will be a power r, x power r. And over here it is 1 power. 1 power anything will always be 1. Whether I write that 1 here or not, it's not going to make any difference. So you can avoid writing that 1 over here. Clear? So I didn't write. Now this cannot be simplified further, so this is where I stop. Now I need first three terms in the expansion. To get the first three terms, values for r that you should take is 0, 1 and 2. So if you take r equal to 0, you will get the first term. If you take r equal to 1, you get the second term. If you take r equal to 2, you get the third term. Now replace r equal to 0 in this. So what do I get? 5c 0, a power 0, x power 0. So that is nothing but 1. Replace r equal to 1 in this. So 5c1, a power 1, x power 1. 5c1 is 5, so you get 5ax. Now replace r equal to 2. So it is 5c2, a power 2, x power 2. 5c2 from the calculator is 10, a square, x square. Okay, now once you got all the three terms, your final answer should be writing all the three terms in a single line. That is 1 plus 5ax plus 10a square x square. So this should be your final answer. Okay. Second bit. Given that there is no term in x, in the expansion of, find the value of the constant a. Given is 1 minus 2x brackets 1 plus ax power 5. In this expansion, there is no term in x, no power on x means power 1. No term in x power 1 means x power 1 term should not be present in this expansion. And how do we make sure that x power 1 is not present? Only one way. If there is 0 before x power 1, 0 times x power 1 will be 0. That is how I can be sure that x power 1 is not present in the expansion. Clear? X power 1 should not be present means there should be 0 before x power 1. From that, what is the conclusion that I got is coefficient of x power 1 should be 0. Okay. If the coefficient is 0, automatically x power 1 term will not be present in the expansion. Clear with the conclusion? Okay. So now I need to find coefficient of x power 1 in this. Okay, let's find out. Here the power is 1, so this bracket will not undergo any change. Here the power is 5, so I get many terms in this expansion. Clear? But I do not need to write all the terms. I only need to write some terms. And what terms do you need to write? You need to write the terms which lead you to get coefficient of x power 1. And how do you decide that what terms you need? By looking at this. Here it is 1. This should be multiplied with x power 1, only then it will result in x power 1. Okay, next. Here it is x power 1. This should be multiplied with x power 0. Only then it will result in x power 1. Clear so far? Now, for this bracket, what is the coefficient of x power 1? I make use of first bit result. So, x power 1 coefficient for this bracket was 5a. So, I write that here. Now, what is coefficient of x power 0? Here it is 1, nothing but x power 0. So, the coefficient is 1. Clear so far? Next. 1 times 5a is 5a. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2x power 1. Now, take x power 1 common. So, 5a minus 2x power 1. So, coefficient of x power 1 is this. This should be 0 for me to ensure that x power 1 term does not exist. So, equate the coefficient of x power 1 to 0. So, 5a minus 2 equal to 0. Add 2. So, 5a equal to 2. Divide by 5. So, a equal to 2 by 5 is the answer. Okay.